Today, let's talk about bike lanes, the love and hate relationship. Have you ever driven through a city and thought, why is there a narrow lane next to my perfectly good road? Congratulations, you have just encountered a bike lane. Back in 2023, I did a study on the severity of crashes in Maryland, and something significantly stood out to me. Cyclists were involved in more crashes than motor vehicles, and this led to fatality. Apparently, it had the highest fatality rate. Now, when you look at European cities, they have more cyclists, but they have the lowest fatality rate. Why is it so? It is something called the safety in numbers. The more cyclists there are on the road, the more drivers expect to see them, and the safer the road becomes. However, it's not just about the numbers. The infrastructure matters too. Some of these infrastructures include protected bike lane, dedicated signals, and better road design. Europe has mastered this by integrating bikes into daily transportation model. Meanwhile, in the United States, we are still debating whether bike lanes should exist or not. In the United States, we've tried to replicate the European design. But let's be honest, sometimes our bike lane design are an afterthought after the road has been constructed. Sometimes they are squeezed into the roadway that makes neither the cyclist nor the motorist happy, and others just end. You're driving on the road, you see a perfectly bike lane on the side, and all of a sudden, it's gone. Let's not even talk about drivers that use a bike lane as a loading zone or a parking spot. But here's the thing I want us to understand: the bike lane is not just for the cyclists, it's actually for everybody. Now imagine every cyclist in the United States decided to drive. There will be more congestions on the road, traffic will be long, and you will be stressed. By creating a bike lane for the cyclists, we're actually making the road more efficient for everybody. Plus, cities that invest in better bike infrastructures actually see lower bike fatality rate. We need better planning, better design, and better education for both the cyclists and the motorists. If we want to make our society safer, if we want to make the road safer, we need to start thinking beyond cars and build infrastructures that accommodate all road users. My name is Livingston. I am a transportation engineer. My goal is to break down complex transportation engineering concepts for you to understand. There is more.